In Budapest, Hungary, one of the newest tourist attractions pays tribute to a man whose name is known around the world as the inventor of this famous puzzle. Erno Rubik is a teacher of interior architecture at the Budapest School of Applied Arts. He created his now famous toy as a teaching tool for use with his students. That Erno Rubik should become the inventor of the cube was no accident. A sculptor whose mechanical inclinations led him into architecture, he also holds a degree in interior design. Today he lives in a house he built himself with his wife and 2 children. As you might expect, the house reflects the astounding success of his singular invention. There are books about the cube in all languages and models of the cube itself. The idea of the cube came to him in a flash of inspiration, but it took 6 months to design its interior working parts. The toy's phenomenal success has made Rubik a wealthy man, but he readily admits that he's only moderately successful at solving it. His 5-year-old daughter Anna is making rapid progress, however. The fact that children can become very adept at it is one of the reasons for its worldwide popularity. And there's no doubt about it, Rubik's Cube is one of the hottest items in shops and stores everywhere. In a recent 2-year period, this factory just outside Budapest has manufactured over 15 million of them. Locked up in this fiendish device containing just 54 squares are over 45 trillion possible combinations. There's hardly anyone anywhere who has not taken one of Rubik's mind-boggling little cubes in hand. But the number of those who have truly mastered it is small indeed. Just 8 years after its invention, an international championship was held in Budapest with 19 contestants. Now you're about to see the top 3 in action. This is Zoltán Boss of Eastern Hungary. The time is shown in the upper right-hand corner of your screen, in seconds. The time to beat, 24 and 49 100 seconds. That record is challenged by Boos Schultz of Holland, a 17-year-old math student. The time, 24 and 32 seconds. 24:32 is the time to beat. Now, watch Min Tai of the U.S., an American citizen from Vietnam. $1:22. Did he do it? Let's watch it again. He's moving so fast it's hard to tell. Yes, less than 23 seconds for a new World's Championship.